Moadin Simcha, and we are entering into Simchas Torah. So the big question is Simchas Torah. There's the Simcha, the joy, and the Torah. And our sages, especially in Kabbalah and Hasidus, we want to know who is giving the joy and who is receiving the joy. And the simple understanding, of course, is that the Jews are rejoicing with the Torah. So the Torah brings the Jews joy. But there's another teaching that says it's the Jew that brings the Torah joy. Because when the Jew dances with the Torah becomes the feet to the Torah, and the Torah can experience dancing. Now the question is, the Torah is called shashuim, the pleasurable toy of God, so to speak. The Torah is it's within the bosom of God, that God gives it to us. How could we be the ones to bring joy to the Torah? And the explanation is as follows. There is a Kabbalistic teaching that says God is the husband, the Jewish people are the wife, and the Torah is the seed of God planted within the Jew, from which the Jew then brings offsprings to God, which is good deeds and teshuvah. Now, in this metaphor, the Torah is the seed of God. True. But where did God plant? Where did God plant the omnipotence which defines the difference between creator and creation? The power of ex nihilo? It's not in the seed of man. It's in the womb of the woman. Thus the power, the ultimate power of being one with the essence of God, the power to create ex nihilo, does not lie in the Torah. It lies in the Jew. And when the Jew dances with the Torah, the Jew is not just the recipient of the Torah. The Jew is the giver to the Torah, giving the Torah powers that the Torah itself doesn't happen. And thus we'll understand, in closing, a teaching of the Holy Kabbalah. The Kabbalah says there are three knots, three bonds. And what are the three bonds? It's between the Jew and the Torah, through which there is the bond then between the Torah and God. So the Jew, through the Torah, is connected to God. Well, 1 second. When you tie together three things, you only need two knots, not three knots. Thus, the Torah, the Zohar, is telling us that when the Jew connects to God through the Torah, then there's a direct connection between the Jew and the Torah, which is even higher than the connection through the Torah. It is when we are the child of God, and thus we give the Torah, which is the work of God, an experience which only belongs to the child of God. Thus this Simchas Torah dance a double hara. One in which you're receiving joy from the Torah, mission, purpose, bond with God, but then also dance where you are giving the Torah unprecedented joy and experience to become not the work of God, the wisdom of God, but the child of God through us. Good Yontif.